Is your 2021 Ram 2500 failing to launch Apple CarPlay? Let's troubleshoot your connection in under 3 minutes. Data shows that the vast majority of Uconnect glitches are solved through software resets without needing any tools. Let us break down the troubleshooting process into manageable steps. Start by inspecting your hardware, as a faulty cable or debris in your phone port is the most common culprit. Next, verify that your iPhone settings are configured to allow CarPlay access while the device is locked. If settings look good, perform a soft reset by holding the volume and tune knobs until the Uconnect system reboots. Know when to stop. If these basics fail, you might face a hardware issue requiring professional dealer diagnostics. This chart shows that cable and software issues account for most failures, meaning you can likely fix this yourself. For persistent issues, check the Uconnect portal for firmware updates or perform a full factory reset of the system. Keep these items in your glove box to stay prepared for any future connectivity hiccups. Remember, using high-quality cables is the most effective way to prevent future connection drops. If this helped you reconnect, hit subscribe for more RAM troubleshooting tips and keep your truck running right.